bravest people that I know. Okay? If someone asked me to do a math problem in front of another person, I'd get a little nervous about doing that, right? For some of us, math creates nervousness. These guys signed up, raised their hand, volunteered to be like, yeah, I'll do it on stage in front of everyone. And not only that, you get to see the questions that they're trying to solve in front of you. So these guys are super, super brave. They're also really quick with their math, with their brain, which is fun. Now, this is a lot like the home run derby in baseball. It's an exhibition of certain mathematical skills. Just like the home run derby is an exhibition of how far you can hit a ball that's pitched straight down the middle, right? So, some of the stuff that they'll be doing up here is not something I tell my math students to do, like doing their work in their head as fast as they possibly can and showing no work. I wouldn't have you do that in my math class. But it's really fun to watch, especially if they do it so fast you're not even done reading the question and there's just like 7 of the answers right. So, sit back and enjoy the MathCounts assembly. We will have a short video introducing the lower school MathCounts team.
Well, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie. Fish don't fry in the kitchen, beans don't burn on the grill. Took a whole lot of trying just to get up that hill. Now we're up in the big leagues, getting our turn at bat. As long as we live, it's you and me, baby. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie. Well, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie. Fish don't fry in the kitchen, the beans don't burn
Okay, as the contestants take the stage, I just wanted to make sure that I also recognize our lower school alternates. In the 3rd grade, we had Amelia Reed. In the 4th grade, we had Alex Lee, Benjamin Ubeda, and then in the 5th grade, we had Peter Frades. With all of you guys stand so you can do
Three questions are read one at a time. The student who answers the most questions correctly, not necessarily 2 out of 3, wins the round. If the students are tied, more questions are read until one question is answered correctly, determining the winner. The final round is played as a best of 5. The first student to successfully answer 3 questions is the winner. After a question is read, students have 45 seconds with which to answer. Students can buzz in at any time. Once a student buzzes in, he or she has 3 seconds in which to answer the question after being called upon. If the answer is incorrect, the other student has the remainder of the 45 seconds in which to respond. Otherwise, we move to the next question. If both students miss the question or time runs out, a new question is posed. For the audience, please do not shout out the answer and be respectful of the mathletes working on stage. You may quickly applaud for correct answers, and then for both competitors once the match is over. All right, enough stalling. It's time for our first matchup. Jack Weldon versus, come on, Jack, Rajan Takori. Would you check your buzzers? Okay. If each small square is 1 centimeter on a side, what is the perimeter of the above figure?
7 meters. Can you say that again? 8 centimeters is incorrect. Roger. That is correct.
Okay. I'm going again. Check your buzzers. Okay. What is the value of 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 4 pennies?
Jack.
$1.14.
That is correct. This is a tiebreaker.
What is the next number in the pattern?
Jack.
94.
That is incorrect. Rajan. That is also incorrect. Next question, please.
The answer was 73. 34 plus 27 plus 66 equals what number?
Rajan.
132.
That is incorrect. Jack.
117.
That is also incorrect. Next question.
If it is now 8:44 a.m., what time was it 45 minutes ago?
Jack.
7:59 a.m.
That is correct. You have a winner. Jessica Brigamian versus Zandanoff. You guys check your buzzers, please. Yes. Okay. Great. Thank you.
The 7 in the number 172 is worth how much more than the 2?
Jessica.
68.
That is correct.
I am thinking of a number. The number is less than 30. The 2 digits in the number add to 9. The 10's digit is 5 less than the 1's digit. What is the number?
Alexander.
27.
Say that again.
27.
That is correct. Tiebreaker question.
Mrs. Rapsiak made 20 brownies. Her dogs ate 4 of them. What fraction?
Jessica.
4/20.
That is incorrect. Alexander?
1/5.
1/5 is correct. The answer needed to be in lowest terms. Thank you. Our next matchup, Vishnu Imani and Alex South.
If 3 times a number equals 12, and 50 divided by 5 equals p, what is the sum of n and p?
Alex?
14.
That is correct.
Mr. M is flying a kite. He has let out 430 yards of string. How many feet is this?
Alex?
1,290 feet.
That is correct. Alex is the winner. Oh wait, no. Yeah. Next matchup is Griffin Callahan and Adam Dawson.
Mrs. Hines was standing in line to get into a movie. There were 40 people in the line. If Mrs. Hines was the 12th person in the line, how many people were behind her?
Griffin?
28.
28 is correct.
What is the product of 21 tens and the number of hours in 1/8 of a day?
Adam?
240.
That is incorrect.
I mean, 24. I mean, 2.
That's incorrect. Griffin, what is it?
63.
That is incorrect. Next question. Griffin is winning 1-0 at this point.
Mr. Richard corrected papers for 1 hour and 25 minutes on Monday, 1 hour and 40 minutes on Wednesday, and 1 hour 7 minutes on Friday. How many hours and minutes altogether did he spend correcting?
Adam?
4 hours and 12 minutes.
That is correct. Tiebreaker question.
What is the area of the figure below?
Griffin?
28.
That is incorrect.
Time.
Time. Next question, please.
What is the tens digit of the smallest 4-digit odd number, which uses each of the digits 9, 6, 5, and 8 exactly once?
Griffin?
8.
8 is correct. Next matchup is Jack Weldon versus Alexander Gano.
Check your buzzers. A package of 10 balloons cost 15 cents. How much would 200 balloons cost?
Say it again.
$3.
$3 is correct.
The large rectangle is divided into 6 smaller squares. The perimeter of each of the 6 smaller squares is 20 units. What is the area of the rectangle?
Jack. That is correct. Next matchup is Alex South versus Griffin Callahan.
Check your buzzers. When a certain number is divided by 5, the quotient is 7. What is the product when the number is multiplied by 3?
Alex.
105.
That is correct.
Mr. Canfield has a jar of marbles. There are 3 red ones, 6 blue ones, 4 black ones, 7 yellow ones, and 1 white one. If he picks 1 out of the jar,
Alex.
3/20.
That is incorrect. Griffin.
3/21.
That is incorrect. New question.
One plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals 11 multiplied by
Alex.
5.
5 is correct. So Jack Weldon versus Alex South for the lower school champion. Hey guys, this is also a best of 5. Okay.
or the first person.
Or the first person.
Alyssa needs 52 slices of pizza for her party. If pizza is cut into 8 slices, how many pizzas will she need to have enough?
Jack.
7 pizzas.
That is correct.
57 plus 57 plus 57 plus 58 plus 42 plus 43 plus 43 plus 43 equals
Time.
Next question.
what is the smallest whole number I can multiply by 6 to get a product greater than 200?
34 is correct. 1-1.
If two squares share a common side as shown, if the distance from A to B is
Jack.
18.
That is not correct. Alex.
36.
36 is correct. Two to one. First to three is the winner.
What is the ones digit in the product of 17 times 13 times 987,654,321?
Alex.
6.
That is incorrect. Jack.
3.
That is also incorrect. Next question, please.
1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 equals 12 times.
Jack. Say it out loud, please.
10.
10 is correct. Two to two. Tiebreaker question. Jack. That is incorrect. Alex.
11.
11 is correct. That concludes the lower school competition. I'd love to award trophies. Jack Weldon, you can have, please. Congratulations on being your slowest school. Congratulations on being this year's champion.
I can't make heads or tails out of this budget. What am I going to do?
Have you heard about this new MathCounts app? It's great. All you have to do is press this button and ask your question.
Okay, guys, Mr. Hines has a budget problem. I got this one.
I don't know, Mr. Schmidt. Do we have enough storage?
How many gigabytes of storage space will we need if we have 1,000 1.5 megabyte PDFs?
Hey guys, new problem. Mr. Schmidt needs help.
I got this one.
So if the south bus leaves Woodridge at 30 miles an hour and the north bus leaves Cliff at 50 miles an hour, which bus will reach Meadowbrook first?
You've got a bus problem. Good luck.
Yes, Alexandra.
I'm confused. Why does a squared plus b squared equal c squared?
That's an excellent question, Alexandra.
It's Mr. Canfield.
Oh, yeah?
I got this.
Hey, Mr. Gabbs, what is the total pounds per inch to pump a basketball to regulation?
I don't know.
I know how to do that one.
Hey guys, I'm gonna make these brownies. This box makes 70 brownies, and we need to make 410. Any ideas how?
So how many shells do you think we can fit in here? Each shelf has to be 11.5 inches.
I don't know.
So here's the sequence of notes and their durations, right?
What geometric sequence does that resemble?
Ethan.
Guys, it's time.
So our first matchup is Quinn and Lindsay. Quinn, can you check your buzzer, please? Lindsay, can you check your buzzer, please? Great, thank you. Ready to get started.
All right. Each interior angle of a regular polygon measures 140 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have?
Time.
The answer was 9 sides.
What is the volume in cubic inches of a cube whose surface area is 96 inches squared?
Quinn.
64 inches cubed.
That is correct. Next question.
For what whole number n is n over 12 between 1/2 and 2/3?
Lindsay.
N equals 7.
Correct. That is correct. 1-1. Continue.
Emily sees this sign in a grocery store. Oranges, 12 cents each. She selects 25 oranges and gives the clerk 1 nickel. According to the price on the sign, how many cents does the clerk owe her?
Time.
Correct answer was 2 cents.
The base of a rectangle is 19 plus 2x centimeters, and the height is 57 centimeters. How many centimeters are in the perimeter when the rectangle is a square?
Lindsay.
Time. Time.
Answer is 228 centimeters.
The number of inches in the perimeter of a square is equal to the number of the square inches in its area. What is the number of inches in the side length of the square?
Quinn.
4.
This is correct. Next up, we have Sally and Lizzie. Sally, can you please check your buzzer? Lizzie, can you please check your buzzer? Excellent. We're ready to get started.
How many of the 6 integers 1 through 6 are divisors of the 4-digit number?
Lizzie,
3.
that is incorrect. Sally, 5 is correct.
A number in the set 50, 51, 52, 53, all the way up to 999 is randomly selected. What is the probability that the number selected is a 2-digit number? Express your answer as a common fraction.
Lizzie,
47 out of 948.
that is incorrect. Sally, can you speak more clearly? That is incorrect. Correct answer is 1/19. Next question.
A number is randomly selected.
Lizzie.
2 9s.
That is correct.
What is the digit in the thousands place of the decimal equivalent of 3/16?
Lizzie.
5.
5 is incorrect. Sally. 3 is incorrect. Correct answer is 7.
What is the least positive integer that is...
Lizzie.
30.
30 is correct. Next matchup is Caleb and John. Caleb, can you check your buzzer, please? John, can you check your buzzer, please? Excellent. We're ready to get started.
What is the slope of the line that contains the points 4.5, 6.85, and 1.5, 2.35? Express your answer as a common fraction.
Caleb.
2/3.
2/3 is incorrect. John.
3 halves.
3 halves is correct.
"23 foot by 3 foot square mile, 23 foot by 3 foot square tiles completely cover a floor without overlap. Exactly how many 9-inch by 9-inch square tiles would be needed to completely cover the same floor without overlap?"
John.
60.
60 is incorrect. Caleb.
320.
320 is correct.
What is the remainder when 123,456 is divided by 9?
Caleb.
3.
3 is correct. Olivia. Olivia, can you check your buzzer, please? Matt, can you check your buzzer, please? Thank you. We're ready to get started.
The perimeters of two similar triangles are in a ratio of 5 to 2. The shortest side of the smaller...
Matt.
15.
15 is correct.
What is the least positive 3-digit multiple?
Matt.
105.
That's correct. Next up, we have Quinn and Caleb. Quinn, can you check your buzzer, please? Caleb, can you check your buzzer, please? We're ready to get started.
Samantha competed in a 1-mile race. 1/4 of the runners finished ahead of her, 2/3 of the runners finished behind her, and nobody tied her. How many runners were in the race?
correct.
The number 1,212 is 3/4 of another number. What is the other number?
Caleb.
1,616.
This is correct. Next up, we have Lizzie and Matt. Matt, can you check your buzzer? Lizzie, can you check your buzzer? Thank you. We're ready to get started.
The repeating decimal.
Lizzie.
6.
6 is incorrect. Matt.
9.
9 is correct.
Josh was born at noon on July 4th, 1991. Angelica was born at noon on September 10th, 1991. How many days older is Josh than Angelica?
125.
125 is incorrect. Matt.
88.
88 is incorrect. Correct answer is 68.
The Hollenbecks own a square.
Lizzie.
180.
180 is correct.
What is the third?
Lizzie.
43.
Time is called. Matt.
43.
43 is correct. Final match is between Caleb and Matt. The best of 5. First to 3. First to 3. Caleb, can you check your buzzer, please? Thank you. You're all set.
How many distinct positive integer divisors does 2 times?
Now, 24 is correct.
Presto Printing charges $1.25 per book for shipping and $3.
Matt.
$58.50.
This is correct.
What is the units digit of the sum of the squares of the first 9 positive integers?
Matt.
5.
5 is correct.
I'd like to congratulate our champion and our runner-up trophies. So for the runner-up, Caleb Sanders.
teachers in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade for helping organize this. This was really great. Thank you so much. Matt, Mike, Jonathan, I can't thank you guys enough for everything that you see and hear in this room. They put this stuff together this week during some pretty trying times for them outside of school. They had a lot of things not go well in their normal life, and they still pulled it off. So